The British Army has taken a major step forward in modernizing its ground forces, as Rheinmetall confirmed that the Boxer Mechanized Infantry Vehicle (MIV) successfully launched a Javelin anti-tank missile during recent integration trials. This milestone, announced on August 19, 2025, represents not only a technical breakthrough but also a strategic advancement for the United Kingdom's land warfare capabilities. By combining troop transport, armored protection, and precision firepower into a single platform, the Boxer MIV is positioned to redefine the operational flexibility of British mechanized units. The Mechanized Infantry Vehicle program is one of the UK Ministry of Defence's most significant procurement efforts in decades. Based on the modular German-Dutch Boxer platform, the British variant has been tailored to meet national requirements and is entering service at a pivotal time. The addition of the Javelin missile to its arsenal further expands its combat role, allowing the vehicle to transition from a protected transporter into a frontline anti-armor system. The integration was achieved by adapting the missile system to the Kongsberg RS-4 remote weapon station, a turret that offers scalable armament options. Manufactured with input from Thales in Glasgow, the RS-4 can accommodate everything from heavy machine guns to 30mm cannons, and now, guided missiles. The successful firing demonstrated that the Boxer MIV can deliver devastating anti-tank firepower without requiring soldiers to leave the safety of their armored hull. The timing of the integration trials coincides with the first deliveries of Boxer MIVs from UK production lines. Two major facilities, KNDS UK in Stockport and RBSL in Telford, are responsible for manufacturing, supported by a nationwide network of subcontractors. This approach not only strengthens domestic defense industry capabilities but also creates hundreds of skilled jobs, ensuring that the program contributes directly to the national economy. By combining domestic assembly with German expertise, the UK has secured a degree of autonomy in sustaining and upgrading the fleet. The ongoing cooperation between British and European firms highlights how multinational defense projects can simultaneously meet military needs and support industrial policy goals. The Boxer family of vehicles has long been praised for its modular design. Built around a base chassis, the system allows interchangeable mission modules to be swapped out rapidly, transforming the same vehicle into a troop carrier, command post, ambulance, or combat variant. For the British Army, this flexibility translates into reduced logistical burdens and faster adaptation to operational requirements. The MIV variant retains all of the family's advanced protective measures, including modular armor that provides high levels of ballistic and mine resistance, in compliance with NATO standards. With a 700+ horsepower diesel engine, the vehicle reaches speeds of up to 100 km per hour on road and boasts a range of more than 1,000 km. Such endurance ensures that mechanized units remain mobile and effective in both high-intensity conflict and extended operations. Central to the significance of this development is the Javelin missile itself. Produced jointly by Raytheon and Lockheed Martin, the Javelin has become one of the most widely used anti-tank guided missiles among NATO members and allied nations. Its combat record is extensive, with proven effectiveness against modern main battle tanks, lighter armored vehicles, and fortified positions. The missile's fire and forget technology allows operators to lock onto a target, launch, and then maneuver immediately, minimizing exposure to enemy fire. This capability is particularly valuable in modern battlefields where survivability depends on speed and agility. By integrating Javelin launchers into the Boxer's remote weapon station, crews gain the ability to engage armored threats from under full protection, eliminating the need for dismounted infantry to conduct high-risk missile launches. The integration of the Javelin onto the Boxer MIV comes at a time when European security concerns are driving renewed focus on heavy armor and mechanized warfare. The proliferation of advanced tanks and armored systems among potential adversaries has underscored the importance of giving infantry formations credible anti-armor tools. For the British Army, this capability provides several key benefits. Autonomy in combat. Mechanized brigades gain the ability to engage hostile armor without relying on external fire support. Improved survivability. Crews remain protected during missile launches, reducing exposure to enemy counterfire. Enhanced deterrence. The presence of mobile anti-tank firepower complicates enemy planning and reduces the likelihood of successful armored breakthroughs. Operational flexibility. Units can shift seamlessly between transporting troops and delivering precision strikes against armored targets. The British Army is currently restructuring around the concept of mechanized brigades, formations designed to combine speed, protection, and firepower to operate effectively across diverse environments. The Boxer MIV is a cornerstone of this transformation. By arming it with the Javelin, these brigades gain a self-contained anti-tank capability that enhances their independence in operations. Such a configuration allows mechanized forces to secure terrain, interdict enemy movements, and hold ground against armored attacks without waiting for reinforcement from heavier assets such as Challenger 3 tanks. This increased flexibility is expected to make British formations more adaptable in both defensive and expeditionary missions. Beyond battlefield effectiveness, the program carries weighty industrial and political dimensions. By investing in domestic production and integration, the UK strengthens its sovereign ability to sustain and upgrade its armoured vehicle fleet over the long term. The Boxer MIV supply chain also reflects a deliberate policy of ensuring that major defence programs contribute to the national economy through job creation and technological innovation. For Rheinmetall and its partners, the successful integration illustrates the adaptability of the Boxer platform. For the British government, it is evidence that procurement policies can simultaneously address operational demands and industrial priorities. The successful trial is not the final step but the beginning of a broader testing and demonstration phase. Over the coming months, the British Army will expand trials, refine crew training, and prepare units for operational deployment. Once fully fielded, the Boxer MIV equipped with Javelin missiles is expected to become a cornerstone of the UK's land warfare modernization strategy. The integration represents more than just a technological upgrade. It is a convergence of industrial effort, military modernization, and strategic foresight. As European security dynamics continue to evolve, the ability to combine troop transport, armored protection, and precision firepower in a single platform may well prove decisive. The British Army's successful integration of the Javelin missile onto the Boxer MIV is a landmark achievement in both military and industrial terms. It demonstrates the platform's adaptability, enhances the combat effectiveness of mechanized brigades, and underscores the UK's commitment to modernizing its land forces with cutting-edge capabilities. As trials progress and the system enters wider service, the Boxer MIV with Javelin integration will likely serve as a model for how modular vehicles can evolve to meet emerging threats. For Britain, it is not merely a step forward, it is a leap into a new era of mechanized warfare.